doing? Come on in here.
Thank you.
Here's a quarter. Go get yourself an ice cream down at the ice cream store.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. I'm leaving a mess all over my house. We'll put this away somewhere. You hawker!
This is her hat take.
It was that Tom Robinson that did it.
Tom Robinson.
Yep.
We'll have to go get him.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Okay.
Advocates, your term for witness.
So Tom Robinson, tell me what happened that night.
Well, it all started when I was watching by May Ellis house. Yo, look, come in here.
Yes, sir.
I need you to fix that hole up yonder.
What's wrong with it?
There's nothing wrong with it. Oh.
What are you doing?
I've never kissed a man before, so I might as well kiss you.
Have you ever helped her before?
Yes, it was sometimes.
Yo, look, come up here. I need you to sweep that mess for me.
Sweet, ma'am.
It's in the hall there.
It's all done, ma'am.
I reckon I should get you a shiny nickel.
Oh, no, nickel. It's no charge.
Yo, boy, come in here.
Yes, Miss Mayella.
I need you to rip up that super ball for me.
Yeah.
Small pieces now. Bigger than that. That's good. What are you doing? They all have to be close to the same size.
I'm sorry, Missy. Where do you want me to put this, Miss Mayella?
Well, first you gotta clean it all up, boy. You're making a big, huge mess in my house. I spent all day cleaning this all on my own while chilling while getting ice cream. There's a basket over yonder you can use. Can't feed it now. I don't want all those mud sharks all over my floor. I like it. Make sure there's smaller pieces than that right there. Show you how to do this, boy. Someone says small, they mean small. You gotta rip them up like this. Are you watching me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Maybe next time you know how to do it right.
Yes, ma'am.
I reckon you want some kind of pay for this.
No pay, ma'am.
Why aren't you taking the pay for all this work?
Because I'm a good man.
I need you to go dump that out yonder and back in the creek.
Court is in session. Please stand.
How does the jury reach a decision?
We find Tom guilty.
Thank you. Adjourned, Tom. in here.
Yes, sir.
I need you to fix that hole up in there.
I thought we were sweeping.
Yeah, boy, come on in here. Fix that hole up there, please.
I didn't even say yes. I'm like, yes. Bitch, get out of my house!
Let's do this price so we can do it!
Well done, mister.
I reckon I need to get you a nickel. You just farted.
Yes, so.
Yo, boy, come in here.
Yes, Miss Mayella.